So there's this person called Kuromi, Kuromi fan 815, and she's like hating on me. So on this video, okay, ignore these two comments. Look, she posted, look, cringe. Like, bro, how is this cringe? Okay, no, damn it. So yeah, she said look, she said that I said cringe to her friend, so that she said it back. Okay, now look at her channel. I'm gonna roast her in one of those videos, okay?
Brooke, answer me!
Well, who's Brookie? Is that one of your boyfriends?
Look, wait until
What you saw? Oh, what he put ignore what Sigma.
I tell you what I saw.
What the? Oh, it's just a trend. Well, if I take that back, he's not a W.
Nor.
Haha.
And also space and
What the?
frowny face. I'm sorry
Who's Jeremy?
that Jeremy made out with me.
What the? Why is it saying that it's Jeremy's fault, but you literally made out with him? You literally saw him wrong.
At the party, but it was totally his fault, and let's not let boys ever come between us ever again. Hey?
What, okay? You think you are, Mr. Mackey? What the? What? So that Jeremy made out with me at the party, but it was totally his fault. Let's not let boys come between us then. Okay? Well, what do you mean by that?
Smiley face, lipstick, kitty paw.
Why put a smiley face? Why did you put lipstick?
Hey.
Yeah, why is he putting pause there? I don't know why he's putting pause there, no.
Cool we are.
Why is he saying hey? We cool? What do you mean we cool?
End of last night's party.
What the?
Did you see Rich? No,
Who's Titch? Wait, oh yeah.
I was crying.
Well, what the hell?
No, I was.
How the hell are you crying, lol? Okay, this video is 100% cringe. Okay, if this gets at least 2 likes, I'll roast her in another of her videos. Okay, now bye.